What is going on, my fine people? Fine Line 1721 checking back in, here to give you guys another dope video. Today we're going to be taking a look at an upcoming Air Jordan slated for release July 27th. This right here is technically a limited shoe. Not a lot of accounts actually were offered this style of Air Jordan Retro 1. This is a Defiant joint, and also as you can see, it comes with this new label right here with the RFID chip sitting underneath it and the QR code. This actual long strip was first seen, I believe, on the Air Jordan Retro 7 or the 6, one of them, out of the reflection of a champion pack. This is new to the Retro 1, but it's not new to how Jordan Brand is going to be doing these new labels. The suggested retail price for the Air Jordan 1 Defiance actually bump up the price an extra $15 from $160, just like the Jordan 1 Couture, the Defiant Couture, and also the Defiant SB Lakers to Chicago, and also the New York to Paris. Without further ado, let's flip open this box lid, peel the paper back, and get into the shoe. Alright, so here we have them, the Air Jordan Retro 1 Defiant. These are really similar to the Gym Reds that just released. The only difference is, instead of it being sail, it's just white on top of white, which for me makes it look a little cleaner. The first thing that you will notice is the distinctive Nike sign. Basically, it looks like someone just took a razor to the Nike check and just sliced each piece of thread and just pulled off the leather Nike check and just left the thread hanging out of the shoe. It's kind of like one of those you love it or hate it type of situation, because you love it because you know it's kind of creative, but then you hate it because you're like, yo, just leave my Nike check on there and let me rock them like that. Also, another distinctive feature about this shoe is the Air Jordan 1 wing logo here around the ankle collar. It's like embossed in the shoe like a normal Air Jordan 1 logo will be, but they opted to put like this extra threading on it to almost kind of give it like a patchwork type of design to it. Let's go around back to the heel of the shoe, right here above where the Nike check meets at the back. They also did the same type of threading right there as they did on the Air Jordan 1 wing logo on the side. Now, going around to the medial side of the shoe, we have another distinctive feature that they decided to add to this shoe, which is a yellow check. I have no idea where the yellow check comes from or what it represents, but I mean, if you like it, I love it. One thing of note, this shoe does not have a yellow check in the inside. Just the left shoe does. Now, going around to the front of the shoe, more distinctive features that they decided to add to this Air Jordan Retro 1, which is, you can see here, we don't have a regular kind of like neoprene nylon tongue. This is a leather tongue. The Nike Air logo is stitched in the same way that the Air Jordan 1 wing logo is on the side. Also, going around flipping it around, you can see that there's no words on the back of it. Now, going into the inside of the shoe, regular standard shoe tree, as you can see there. Also, there's a yellow insole with the black Nike Air. They also come with two lace bags as well. You have one that's all red and the other one is yellow. If you was going to pick these up, I would throw the yellow shoestring into this shoe to match the yellow Nike check to give it some more little distinct flair that it already has. Now, as far as the quality of the materials go that they decided to place on this Air Jordan 1, it's A1 steak sauce. It's that nice, kind of like soft, buttery type of material. These joints are like super plush. Going around to the toe, you can see that we have a nice plush, durable toe. You know, it doesn't come back up as fast. So it's nice, soft, plush. The black leather is feeling good. The white leather on the mid panel feels good. So it's like this whole shoe is nice and plush. It's some nice feeling leather right here. It almost has that vibe of like a leather purse, you know, leather jacket. Nice leather. Can't knock the materials. I think I like them because they're a little different. I like the creativity. So I might just be throwing these in the collection. Like I stated, I won't be having them on the site, so I will pick up a personal pair. And if you were interested in a personal pair, I hope this video just helped you out to see, if you really want to go after these on July 27th. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. Both handles are the same, FineLine1721. And until the next video, you guys already know what to do. Be smooth, enjoy life, bless up.